Is the Vivo X90s the sleeper flagship phone you're overlooking in 2026? Vivo claims this thing delivers flagship performance and pro-level photos without breaking the bank. And after spending time with it, I'm telling you there's way more to the story. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this is a hidden gem or something you should skip. Product overview. Alright, so what are we dealing with here? The Vivo X90s is the latest Android flagship-tier smartphone from Vivo. At its core, it tries to balance high-end performance and flagship photography without the eye-watering price tag. This is a phone targeted at power users who want fast daily performance, great camera chops, and premium hardware, all without paying flagship prices like you would for a Samsung Ultra or iPhone Pro. Performance. Inside the X90s, you'll find the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, a flagship-class silicon with an octa-core and an immortalized G715 GPU. On paper, this thing is tearing through benchmarks and even beats some older Android flagships in synthetic tests. In real use, that translates to very smooth scrolling, snappy app launching, and zero complaints on multitasking. I was toggling between Chrome tabs, heavy games, and social apps, and honestly couldn't find a situation where it sputtered. Games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run impressively well, though prolonged sessions can warm the phone up a bit. Day-to-day motion is fluid thanks to that 120Hz AMOLED display. Swiping through apps or feeds feels just as smooth as anything from Apple or Samsung. But I will say this, since Vivo ships it with Android 13-based Origin OS 3, the software polish doesn't always feel as refined as what you get from Pixel or Galaxy devices, and global software update timelines are notoriously slower for phones that originate in China. Features and tech. 120Hz 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It's sharp, vibrant, and bright. Plenty for streaming shows, gaming, or editing photos. The 120Hz refresh rate makes interactions feel buttery. Versatile 3-lens system with Zeiss-T coating. Vivo isn't just throwing random sensors in here. You get a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, plus a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 12-megapixel portrait lens. The Zeiss-T optical coating helps reduce flare and improve color fidelity compared to typical phone lenses in this segment. 120-watt fast charging. Battery life is robust thanks to a 4810 mAh cell, and the real-world convenience of fast charging is evident, topping up to 50% in roughly 8 minutes. Future-ready connectivity. You've got 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and in-display fingerprint security. Not bad at all for under-flagship pricing. But it's not all perfect. There's no wireless charging and no official IP68 water resistance, which is becoming standard at this price level. Design and build. Aesthetically, the Vivo X90s leans into that modern, minimal phone vibe. It's slim, lightweight, and feels good in the hand. Not bulky, but still robust. The flat edges and quality materials give it a premium feel without venturing into fragile flagship territory. Some versions come with glass backs, others with vegan leather options. Both look clean, but the glass does attract fingerprints like crazy. The weight and balance are solid, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is quick and accurate. No creaks or flecks, though you'll definitely want a case if you're clumsy like me. I will say though, some competitors offer IP68 water resistance and wireless charging at this price point, so if those matter, keep that in mind. Camera performance. The main sensor captures bright, detailed images with solid dynamic range and generally accurate color reproduction. The ultra-wide and portrait lenses give you flexibility you don't always see at this price point. Zeiss optics help keep lens flare under control and lend richer color tones compared to typical mid-tier sensors. Low light performance is good, not quite class-leading, but definitely better than average for Android phones under $700. Videos shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS with stabilization, smooth enough for casual creators. One thing to be aware of, though, if you're someone who must have ultra-accurate skin tones or perfect HDR every single time, you may find the processing airs a bit saturated or aggressive on occasion. Pros: excellent triple camera setup with Zeiss-enhanced optics, big, smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, super fast 120-watt charging and solid battery life. Cons: no wireless charging or top-tier water resistance, software isn't as refined as Pixel or Samsung. Final verdict: if you're someone who wants big performance, a great screen, lightning-fast charging, and flexible camera optics without forking over $1,000, the Vivo X90s is absolutely worth a look. It punches above its price class in many areas, especially raw speed and camera versatility. That said, if you're obsessed with the absolute best camera experience, industry-leading software polish, or wireless charging and deep water resistance, you might lean towards a Pixel, iPhone, or Samsung flagship instead. Final thought: the Vivo X90s isn't perfect, but it's a super compelling choice if you want a real flagship experience without flagship pricing. So that's my take on the Vivo X90s, a surprisingly powerful contender in the flagship smartphone arena. What do you think? Drop a comment below if you'd pick this over a Galaxy or Pixel. I really want to hear your thoughts. And if this review helped you decide, a quick thumbs up would be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.